Annyeonghaseyo! Hello! Mabuhay! So today, I am going to introduce myself in 3 different languages. The Korean or Hangul, the English, and Tagalog. First, I'm going to introduce myself in Korean. 내 이름은 Ken Alcaideb입니다. In English, my name is Ken Alcaide. In Tagalog, ang pangalan ko ay Ken Alcaide. Next is, I am going to tell you where I lived in. 나는 Calamba, Laguna, Sarayo. In English, I lived in Calamba, Laguna. In Tagalog, ako ay naninirahan sa Calamba, Laguna. Next is, I am going to tell you how old I am. In Korean, 저는 23살이에요. In English, I am 23 years old. In Tagalog, ako ay 23 taong gulang. I am currently in my 3rd year, taking Bachelor of Arts in Communication at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa. I am also the Vice President of the premier theater organization in the Pamantasan, which is the PL Mondulang Singing. As an arts communication student, I am very passionate in arts in the form of theatrical performance and in the field of production. One of my dreams is to become a news anchor or journalist someday. So I guess that's it. This is the short introduction of myself. Once again, my name is Ken Alcaide. Annyeong!